Hello everyone, this video explains the operations related to object detection model training. Based on the training data labeled in the previous video, we click the Train Image Deep Learning Model button. In the dialog box, select the task type as Object Detection Task. Click the next page. We choose to automatically divide the training dataset and validation dataset, and add the folder where all the labeled samples are located to the file list. The ratio of validation dataset can be adjusted according to the amount of sample data prepared. In the traditional case, the ratio of training and validation is 8:2. Click on the next page, set the training parameters. The description of the training parameters and adjustments can be referred to the road marking model training video explanation. Finally, click OK to start training. The training process is long, please wait patiently. After the end of training, you can judge the convergence of the model by the curve changes in the training window. You can view the training situation in detail according to the report, as well as the training accuracy of each category. The above is an introduction to the process of training the model for the object detection task. Thank you for watching.